this video, you'll see a cozy apartment with a spacious terrace, located just 300 meters from Playa del Cura, one of the most popular beaches in Torrevieja. The apartment is on the third floor of a residential building with an elevator and has a total area of 67 square meters. Inside, there's a bright living room, 2 comfortable bedrooms, a bathroom with a bathtub, a kitchen, and a large terrace, a perfect place to relax outdoors. The apartment comes fully furnished and equipped with air conditioning. It's a great option both for holidays by the sea and for permanent living, with no extra investment needed. The price of the townhouse is €169,900. If you're interested in this offer, please contact me on WhatsApp or Telegram at the number shown on the screen.